If you've ever had your entire day derailed by one critical comment, spent hours replaying a mistake in your head, or felt like your confidence crumbles under the smallest pressure, you're not broken. Your mind just hasn't been trained for resilience. The key here is to normalize their struggle without dwelling on it too long. You want to make them feel understood and hint that there's a systematic solution coming. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 research-backed techniques that take just 5 minutes total each day. These aren't feel-good platitudes, they're mental training protocols that actually rewire how your brain responds to stress and setbacks. The goal here is to set clear expectations about what they'll learn while emphasizing that this is practical rather than inspirational content. You are promising measurable change, not just motivation. First technique, the 90-second reset. When something triggers you, a harsh email, a mistake, criticism, your brain floods with stress chemicals. But here's what most people don't know. These chemicals naturally clear your system in exactly 90 seconds. The problem? We keep re-triggering them by replaying the event. Then give them the exact practice. So here's what you do. Set a 90-second timer. For those 90 seconds, let yourself feel whatever you're feeling. Don't fight it. Don't fix it. Just acknowledge it. Say, I notice I'm feeling frustrated, or I notice my chest is tight. When the timer goes off, take 3 deep breaths and ask, what's one small action I can take right now? Wrap up by explaining why it works. This works because you're working with your nervous system, not against it. The acknowledgement prevents re-triggering, and the action question shifts you from reaction mode to response mode. Second technique, evidence logging. Your brain has a negativity bias. It's wired to spot problems and ignore successes. This keeps you alive in the wild but destroys confidence in modern life. Give them the simple practice. Every evening, write down 3 pieces of evidence that you handled something well that day. Not major victories, small things. I spoke up in the meeting. I helped a colleague. I completed that task I'd been avoiding. Takes 2 minutes max. Scientific rationale. You're literally creating new neural pathways. Research shows this practice increases self-efficacy and reduces anxiety within just 2 weeks. You're training your brain to notice your competence, not just your mistakes. Third technique, preemptive reframing. Instead of waiting for problems to knock you down, you're going to armor up in advance. Explain the morning practice. Each morning, spend 2 minutes thinking about your day ahead. Identify one thing that might go wrong or stress you out. Then ask, if this happens, what would I tell my best friend to do? Write down that advice. You're preloading rational responses before emotion takes over. Why it's effective. This works because you're making decisions with your prefrontal cortex, your rational brain, instead of your amygdala, your panic brain. You become your own best advisor. Let's recap. 90-second reset for in-the-moment triggers. Evidence logging for long-term confidence, and preemptive reframing for daily armor. 5 minutes total. The goal isn't to never feel bad, it's to bounce back faster and stronger. Keep this section brief, but reinforce that these tools work together and the time commitment is manageable. Here's your challenge. Try just one of these techniques for the next 7 days. Don't try to be perfect, just be consistent. And here's the thing. You won't believe the difference until you feel it yourself. Create engagement by asking, drop a comment and let me know which technique you're going to try first. And if you want more practical psychology tools like this, no fluff, just what actually works, hit that subscribe button. The memorable line. Remember, a bulletproof mindset isn't about avoiding bullets. It's about getting really good at healing from the hits.